Trustera AI is a brand new software that has been making waves in the AI space. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide to try it out. Stay with me till the end because we'll cover everything from the key features to the potential drawbacks, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, what sets Trustera AI apart from the sea of other tools out there? Well, Trustera is a versatile AI software that's been released to streamline the way businesses engage with their audiences. Whether you're in marketing, customer support, or content creation, this tool has a feature set that promises to elevate your workflow and improve efficiency. And the best part? You can try it for completely free with the link in the description below. So, let's jump right into the 7 crucial things you need to know about Trustera AI. First, Trustera AI has an incredibly user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. It's designed for everyone, whether you're an experienced digital marketer or a small business owner just starting to experiment with AI. The clean dashboard ensures you can jump straight into your tasks without spending too much time on setup. Second, Trustera AI specializes in automating customer engagement. One of the standout features is its automated email and message generation. For businesses looking to streamline communication, Trustera does an excellent job of crafting personalized messages. Imagine having an AI that can write thoughtful responses to customers, all while reflecting your brand's tone. This is game-changing for businesses trying to manage high volumes of customer inquiries. Third, Trustera's predictive analytics capabilities are impressive. It analyzes customer behavior and can predict future interactions, helping you make better decisions when it comes to your marketing strategies. If you've ever struggled with targeting the right audience, Trustera's AI algorithms take the guesswork out of it, making your outreach efforts more effective. Now, Trustera AI isn't just for big businesses. It's scalable for companies of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Trustera adapts to your needs. It's designed to grow with your business, offering solutions that can be customized for various industries. Another huge advantage is Trustera's integration with major CRM tools. If you're already using systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, integrating Trustera is seamless. This saves a ton of time as you don't have to manually import and export data between platforms. It's all connected for better workflow automation. But like any software, Trustera isn't perfect. One thing you should be aware of is that while the AI is powerful, there's still a learning curve. Some features may require a bit of time to master, especially for those who are new to using AI-driven tools. It's not a deal breaker, but be prepared to invest a little time into understanding its full potential. Lastly, let's talk about the price. While Trustera AI offers a free trial, the full pricing plans can be on the higher side compared to other tools in the market. However, given the robust set of features it provides, it might be worth the investment for businesses that rely heavily on automation and data analytics. To recap, Trustera AI offers a powerful set of tools for automating customer communication, analyzing data, and improving marketing strategies. Its easy-to-use interface, predictive analytics, and integrations with major CRM systems make it a great option for businesses looking to scale. However, the learning curve and higher pricing might be a factor to consider before diving in. Remember, if you're interested in giving Trustera AI a shot, you can try it for free using the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I've narrowed down a list of the best ones that can actually help you. Those are linked below as well, so feel free to explore and find the right fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.